Okay, today I'm just going to take a look at a Milwaukee 18 volt cordless drill. Charger, battery. It's a clip, hooks onto your pants, and then the drill hooks on right here. Hook holder. Then the drill. This is a really good drill. We've had this for multiple years and never had any problems at all. Lots of power. We've used it for drilling all sorts of holes and never had any problems. Drilled through really hard, thick metal with dull drill bits and just keeps on going. Okay, now I'm going to show the drill in action, show the power. I know you can't really tell, but this is a pretty darn dull 3/4 inch spade bit, so I'm going to show it in action. Going to put it in high speed. That is through a piece of solid red oak. And another really good thing about Milwaukee cordless drills, they're probably the best cordless drills out there, is that these things will not overheat and get hot. I've used Black & Decker ones, and they are hot as can be within minutes of drilling at all. These stay really nice and cool and last practically forever. We had a 14 volt one, and it took us 12 years to kill it, and we were drilling big 1-inch holes through solid red oak and drilling tons of holes in metal with it constantly every day practically, and it took 12 years to kill the thing. And it still worked, it just the gears in it were shot and they ground, and we weren't going to replace them because they were too much money. Here's something else that I found with this drill. When you're like just putting in lag bolts or stuff, or using really light bolts, this is a little 1/4 inch drive thing for a socket, and this has an impact on it. You can turn it there just for drilling so that it won't ratchet, but there you can adjust it through all different amounts of impact. So it works pretty good for tightening up little bolts or putting in lag bolts. So we'll show it here. This piece of metal, the bolt in here, it's just loose, so we're going to tighten her up. We'll see how tight she gets it. Spins it right off, it's got so much power. There. Let me see how tight I got it. That's pretty tight. You don't want to tighten a 3/8 inch bolt much more than that, or you'll probably wreck the threads on it. Well, we'll show her loosening it. There you go. Works like a charm every time. Okay. With this here, I'm just going to put a lag bolt in the two 2x4s and show the power on this. This is on, still on impact on 20. As high as it goes. There, she's in there good and solid and tight. Even countersunk it in there some. Okay, now I'm going to drill a hole through a big old piece of metal here. Not sure how sharp this bit is. There we go. That bit wasn't the sharpest, but it was fairly sharp. Lots of power. Never ran that drill out of power. I don't think I ever will be able to.